guys, welcome to another episode of Business with Rocks. On today's episode, we're going to talk about the different ways to advertise your affiliate link. Let's dive in. The first way I recommend is using Bing ads. See, I love Bing ads. If anybody knows me, you know how much I love Bing ads. I use Bing ads for all my affiliate links. For whether it's TaskRabbit, for whether it's Uber, whether it's free groceries, whether it's a product I got from JVZoo or ClickBank, I use Bing ads. The beauty about Bing ads is that it's so simple to navigate around. I love Facebook ads as well, but if you're looking to put up a listing, and I kid you not, in less than 5 to 10 minutes, maybe since I'm pretty quick at it, in less than 5 minutes, you just put up a listing on Bing. You could put up a tester ad and it's 1, 2, 3. Because with ads, the adding the keywords is so simple and it's actually pretty fun in my opinion. And also from putting in your title, putting it in the description, it's actually pretty simple and quick and it's so easy to do. So that's why I recommend Bing ads as one of the first things to do when you get your affiliate link. The next way to advertise your affiliate link, I would definitely say just something as simple as putting it into your social media descriptions. If you have your Instagram or your Facebook or your YouTube, just after you introduce yourself, talk about how dope you are, you put that link in there. Be like, oh, this is the product that I have, or this is the product I love so much. However you want to say or advertise it, put it in there. Trust me, you get some free clicks from that and you never know what happens after. The next way is on a blog. So let's say you have a dope blog, tons of followers, and you have an affiliate link because you're an affiliate partner for Get It Lit. You can literally write a cool storytelling blog about, let's say, something with kids. Talk about how music is great for kids and their interaction and their methods of learning or whatever, and then do a whole entire 500 to 700 word blog, have all that juice, like, oh my gosh, this is such a great blog, and then after that, hit them in the end with your affiliate link for Gifted and Lit. You already nurtured that relationship, butter them up, warm them up, and then bam, hit them with that link and you get some sales like that. Let's go. Another method is do Facebook Lives about that particular program. So let's say it's a credit program, right, that you're an affiliate for. You sit there and do a Facebook Live real quick amongst your thousands or hundreds of friends on that platform and be like, oh my gosh, guys, like this credit program changed my life. It took me from a 540 to a 680. Don't lie. Hopefully you use that affiliate program, right? But let's say you did and you did do that. So you let them know how great it was and explain how dope it is and all the great stuff it did for you. Now you lead them in and make them get it as well. Again, so a little bit of pitching and a lot of sales involved, but guess what? In life, we're all salespeople, aren't we? The next method is actually pretty simple. It's the simple word of mouth method. So again, I would hope that you really do love that program that you signed up for to be an affiliate for. So let's say you're speaking to a friend or a family member. You talk about how great it is, how dope it is, and convince them. You understand? Sell them, persuade them, and be like, yo, and you see that it gives them value. You're not just giving them anything, but you see it would benefit them as well, whether if they have a kid, whether they have bad credit, whether they need a mortgage or whatever it is, because you can be an affiliate for anything. Pitch it to them, and you never know. Simple word of mouth is still the highest method of sales out here. People think it's online. No, it's not. Till this day, I think there's only 8 to 9% of commerce getting done online. Yes, everything is still regular, people walking outside, people talking to one another. That's still the in thing. The next method I would recommend is, build a funnel. Building funnels. Funnels are proven to be 10 to 20% better in terms of the conversions than regular websites. Build a funnel. Lead them down that funnel, technically no pun intended, right? To get them to use that link, okay guys? I hope you guys found some value from this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Listen, thank you so much for always taking the time to watch the videos. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get all the notifications of whenever I put out a new video, whether I put a post on YouTube, anything, all right? So again, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a great day.